have an IT exam tomorrow. Okay, make sure it's tomorrow. And I haven't touched the book. Like, this is the first time I actually touched my IT book. And the board. It's a board. It's a board. Yeah, I am practically dead and I want to vlog it. And also thank you so much for 1 lakh views on my YouTube video. So right now it's currently 5 o'clock and I'm going to study IT because, well, I'm honestly pretty... Oh, no vlogs, Corey. No. Yeah, so I just like studying because, well, have to. Moving forward, first 3 chapters are pretty much useless. They're about self-management skills and, you know, communication skills and everything. It's pretty basic and I gave the exam and I think it's pretty easy. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. And I thought I should vlog it. So you're gonna meet a few of my friends tomorrow. I obviously cannot vlog inside the hall, but I will be vlogging and I'll take some inspiration from somebody at night because I just saw a vlog and I was like, oh my god, I should vlog. And my mom has been like literally killing me to vlog because one of my video went viral and I hit 6k subscribers and I'm about to hit 7 and it's... Thank you guys so much, literally. I hate my forehead, but that's okay. Anyways, that was so random. Yeah, so we're gonna study. So I'm having this. It is chila with cheese, I think. I don't know. Hey guys, last I shot around 5:50 and it's currently around 8 something. It's like 7:50, sorry. Yeah, it's been 2 hours and I was eating, chilling because, well, I studied for an hour. I know you can relate because you do the same. I'm gonna sit down, watch Gilmore Girls or something for a while. Think of Vampire Diaries. Anyways, so yeah. And after that, I'm gonna go take a bath. I'm gonna freshen up because I have to look good. Yeah.
Hi, softness. Well, I don't think we should take up any more of your precious...
Hi. I'm back and I haven't taken a bath. Obviously, I haven't done shit. I am getting into a meeting with my best friend right now. We'll be studying for the rest of the night and yeah, that's what's happening. This is gonna be bad. Good morning, guys! It is my first board exam ever. And wait, shit. I look shit. I just did not want to wash my hair today. But I am still revising. And yeah, I finished around 2 chapters yesterday with my friend. And 1 chapter was remaining. I did a little of it. I did like 2 sub-chapters from it. And then I did not do it. So I'm still revising because if I start to study something new, it might get more confusing. So that's a study tip. Don't study extra before going to the exam or else you might forget what you actually learned. That's what I'm doing right now. And I couldn't vlog much yesterday. So yeah, I hope this is a interesting vlog. I don't know, I've never made such a vlog. It's like my board exam, bro. have reached and I have no interest in going inside. But yeah.
Gauri will do wonderful in her exam.
Oh shit. Yeah,
Because
so I'll see you guys. Bye.
वही तो मेरे से प्यार से बात किया। 4 साल से जो हमारे ऊपर अत्याचार कर रही है उसको भूल जाएगा।
मेरे से तो पर्सनल दुश्मनी।
चलो चलो सबसे पर्सनल दुश्मनी है
हम
उससे।
लोग उनके उधर विजिट करने जाते हैं। अच्छा
ओ यहाँ कब लाए?
बाय डोरेमोन।
Hi. So it's the next day and it's like 8:30. I am studying science because I didn't study yesterday and today there were guests at home like the whole day. So yeah, I'm studying now and this is so bad. I don't know what to do and I have notes. I'll be studying from those notes. It's just so much stuff for today and tomorrow again I'm going somewhere. So like everything is really messed up right now, but I'm trying to edit as well. I'm trying to upload videos. I uploaded one today. So anyways, yeah, that's what's going on and I'm so sorry for not studying or shooting. I actually didn't study. Yeah, so I'll be studying now and I look homeless. I was studying and I forgot to tell you guys how I'm studying today. It's a different way. I am trying this for the first time. I am watching a video from Atharva Puranik. He is a very nice study this thing like tutor. He's really good at it and I personally love him. So yeah, you can go check his channel out. He teaches science, SS and everything, I think. I don't think history, I'm not sure what all, but yeah, that's what I've learned. Also, I have a notes book. It's like that fat, pretty heavy, 400 like 200 pages. But it's of all chapters, like the whole NCRT book ke sare chapters, not just first term. It includes second term and it's chapter wise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, whatever. And I'll be studying only the ones I'm doing, obviously. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. And first I'm gonna watch the whole video, understand, and then I'm gonna go to the book, the notes wala book, and read. Also, I'm aiming for 95% in words. Hi. I look so bad and it's currently 5 o'clock. I have been studying all day. Literally since I last talked to you, I have been watching videos, I have been seeing my notes. One second. Yeah. I've been watching videos, I've been seeing my notes, everything, and I'm still watching a video and I totally forgot about shooting. I swear that's all I've been doing. I haven't gotten out of my room in the past 3 hours, I think. Yeah, we're studying right now. I don't want to put this on like time lapse, that's pure useless, but if I do. First of all, a lot of people have been asking me how I do history, and I am posting this video extremely late. Like, bro. Basically, I do history with notes, like chits. So I think I should really edit and post this video tomorrow because I feel like it will really help you guys. I'll post the rest vlogs later. I'll post this video tomorrow. I'll try my best to edit it tonight. I'll do history and I'll edit this video tonight. Yeah, I study through notes. There are a lot of chits here, like a bunch. Wait, so like the number of chits I have over here are like too many. So this is like the whole history chapter in my hands right now. Literally like the whole history chapter. Nearly, not the whole, but I'm still finishing it up and I think I'll be done today. It's like 15 minutes left and 15 minutes ka left. So once I finish this, I think you guys will know what I really mean, and I think I need to post this video tomorrow. Next vlog, I'll be adding a little bit of history and how I study it, and how my SS exam went, plus a little bit of science prep. So it's gonna be like that, and I hope this video is like good. I really hope it helps you guys because a lot of people have been asking me how I do history because history has so many dates. I am actually good at history. My history is one of my strong subjects luckily God put that inside me. I got like 50% without studying. I literally did not study. I had studied like months back, and then I just went and gave my mock prelims, and I got like 50%. And I was like, bro, how? I would literally have gotten like 20%, and I was shocked I got 50. So it was good. I got good marks, and if I study, I think I can get more. Also, now that you know how I study history, I think I'm gonna end this vlog and I'm gonna start the next vlog so you guys can enjoy that as well. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this till the end. And you guys have been a great support. We have hit 6k, and I really hope we can hit 8. No, we've hit like 7k. We have like 7.63k, which means I'll hit 8k in a few days, which is great. I'm gonna keep uploading as much as I can. I'll keep helping you guys, and I'm so happy. 1 lakh views in my study vlog. That's the only reason I'm posting more study vlogs. Guys, get me to 1 lakh views again. If you want my Instagram, it'll be down linked. And keep supporting. I love you guys. Bye.